you go, Stargazer X in the flesh. Yan guys. So this is how it looks with the headlight on, hazard lights. So amazing, futuristic design. Let's have a quick walk around. So what can you say guys about the design, exterior? Let me know in the comments. Okay, alright. So this is how it looks as a driver of the Stargazer X. So first, very large infotainment display, aircon. Very good. Level for the legs. Okay. And then temperature. Ayan, level. Naka-level 1 pa pala to, but sobrang lamig. And then here you have power sockets. So this one is to activate or deactivate the wireless charging. So this one is a wireless charging, bro?
Wireless charging.
Okay, good. Cool. And then another cigarette lighter socket. Confirm that it's a wireless charger. Sige bro, lagay mo phone mo bro. Cool. That's becoming non-negotiable nowadays. So for the glove compartment, large enough. Okay. Then dito naman sa taas, yan, mirrors. And then here you have your lights, naka LED white. I like it. Then here wala nga lang siyang mirror and lights, but it's okay as a driver. And then here, instrument panel guys, very large as well. And then shows your positioning. So it shows that may nakabukas na pintuan. Hazard shows your odo, fuel gauge, and temperature as well. And then here on the left side you have your controls for your infotainment screen. Yan. And then on the right side naman you have, good news, cruise control. Cruise control. And then for your horn, ayun. So yun yung kanyang horn. So you have push start button. And then this is your turn signals and for your headlights controls. And then this one is for the wipers. Nice, Korean and unique. So for your steering wheel overall look, yan. What do you think of the steering wheel?
Siya premium.
Premium, yeah, good. I like that. Very good description. So here for your gear, guys, and PRND. Then you have sequential or manual mode, and then you can control your drive modes as well to activate the power mode. Yan, oh.
Change color.
Change color. Wow. So may eco, normal, sport, and smart, which it analyzes your driving habits or your tendencies. So balik natin sa normal. And then this one is for the traction control. And here you have the control for your parking sensor. If naiingayan kayo, then you can just turn it on or off. I like that so much. I don't have that in my Velos. So here you have your 2 cup holders with ambient lights. And then this is how your key fob looks like. Lock, unlock. And if you just hold this button right here, it's a remote start engine actually. Very impressive. Not all the cars have that. Then here as well for the unlock for your tailgate. So you have a spare key so that tig-isa kayo ni Rachel or ni Mrs. So here you have electronic parking brake and auto hold. So as a driver, you have everything you need actually for a modern lifestyle with a Hyundai Stargazer. So very nice. So now let's go to the second row seats. And by the way, kita-kita nyo naman yung seat height, sobrang luwag, all the way there to the third row. And then ako din, 5'9". Yeah, okay naman. So entering the second row, passenger seat. Again, impressive leather seats, no? Yan. Breathable leather with red linings. There you go. And then you also have here, yun, so you have here an armrest. Okay, very good. So this is how it looks. Leather, ang ganda ng leather, guys. Very premium yung feeling. And then this is your third row, which we'll return to in a bit. And then here, okay lang yung kanyang center tunnel. And then here, you also have two power sockets. We appreciated ni Mrs. ko na may ilaw siya. So madaling kapain. And then lalagay mo lang yung phone mo dito while it's charging. So when it comes to your headroom as a second row passenger, no? And then this is what I mentioned a while ago. Yan, you have a table, foldable. Then you also have a large cup holder right here. Okay, and then leather, okay naman siya, leather material. Meron din palang tatlo pang cup holders or bottle holders dito, guys, oh. Alright, and then you also have pockets, no? Both sides. Yan. Very easy access to the third row. Okay, so this is how it looks as a third row passenger. Let's just close the door for a bit. So I'll try to close it up. Okay, so at this position, guys, as a 5'9" person, medyo challenging na, but you can actually slide this. Yan, na-slide naman yan. And then what I also like, yan, similar to the other 7-seaters, nare-recline din siya. So yun, again, para sa akin, Stargazer X is one of the best third row na seat height. So kahit nakataas pa yung buhok mo, hindi tatama kasi okay na okay talaga yung headroom niya sa third row. And then once again, for the knee room, guys, kahit I think nakasagad na to ngayon, okay pa rin, no? May ano pa rin ako dito. Yan, ano pa rin ako, komportable pa rin ako. So that is nakasagad na. So how much more kung i-adjust ko pa doon si second row passengers. I think sobrang luwag talaga. Kahit adult dito, guys, for the Stargazer X, I think they're gonna be comfortable in a long ride. Alright, so for your compartment, okay, ayan nga, nare-recline. Pwede nating i-tumble down. Very huge amount of space, guys, look at that. And then here, similar din siya, guys, kay Toyota Veloz natin. Yan, okay. And then what's underneath, I'm also surprised, it's also similar. Okay, you have here a lot of space. And then you also have tools. Yan. And then for your spare tire, yan, that's your spare tire. So easy access here. And then alright, so first ride with Stargazer X. I have to take this opportunity. Thank you, bro. Thank you, Rach, for allowing me to review this amazing car. So right off the bat, step on the brake, push start. Wow, oh my goodness. So seat belts, of course, and then excellent instrument panel, impressive. I love the color combination of the instrument panel. Leather. Okay, atras natin konti. I love the pilot style na gear shifter, no? So this is the reverse camera with guidelines, very useful. So low speed, how is it? First, ang lambot, especially pag galing sa stop. Diba? Isa yan sa mga importante talaga. So, what I've observed is, pag pinitik mo ng konti yung gas pedal, hindi siya kaagad pumubulusok. So what it means is makokontrol mo talaga especially as a newbie or a beginner. One thing that I noticed, so yan, one hand lang, sobrang gaan, sobrang lambot. So aircon, napakalamig. So right now we're approaching an uphill na road condition. So this is my first to use the Stargazer X in a tight spot. Yan. So makikita mo naman, tapos makokontrol mo rin yung gas. So uphill, 1.5 liter engine. Headlights are also very good. Napaka bright nung headlights. Then ground clearance as well, I feel very elevated and mataas yung pakiramdam natin. Okay? Side mirrors, large enough. Kitang-kita lahat. They are large enough for me. So now let's try to have a little bit of power, no? Just the normal mode. Okay? Ang ganda. Good performance. Controllable yung gas pedal. Hindi siya torquey, but you'll feel the power in a certain point. May biting point siya na premium yung gas pedal, honestly lang. Okay, braking power, yan, may sudden liko, sudden overtake. Braking power is good. So I can sense the intelligent transmission. This is something I haven't tried before. This is really a unique experience with a intelligent transmission. Okay, now overtake tayo. Horn. Okay. Brake. Kumakagat. I know right now kinakabahan yung bagong owner. But yeah, thank you sa trust. No? It's really powerful. The arrancada is there and the power is there. Okay, turning. Humps. Wala. Basic yung humps. Basic yung uneven roads. Okay. Love the leather steering wheel. Sarap. Sarap sa kamay. So now let's try the sequential mode. Okay, I turn into the left and then I downshift for more torque. Yung ugong ng makina, yung sigaw. Okay, brakes. Excellent. Excellent stopping power. Okay, I will downshift for more torque. First gear. Yan, may sensing siya. May sensors sa blind spot monitoring niya na hindi tayo pinapa-overtake nung nasa gilid. It was good. Blind spot monitors. Okay, first gear. Second gear. Blind spot monitor, very good. Ayos ah. Okay. Ano? It informs na may motor sa gilid. Okay, so yun, go back to the normal D or drive mode. Relax mode again ngayon, relax na driving. For city or urban driving, comfortable, relax ka dito. Very good. Medyo traffic na sa part na to. So I guess yun na naman yung pinaka-importante talaga in terms of the driving performance ni Stargazer X. I hope I was able to help you guys kung ano yung mga questions niyo about Stargazer X. One word, I feel really premium. as a 7-seater, that's what you want. Relax, and then enough power, enough yung visibility, diba? Good visibility siya. And then yan, for spirited driving, again, nandun yung arangkada, nandun talaga. So overall for me, I love the interior look, I love the feeling as a driver. Very comfortable. May ano pa dito, armrest. So overall, a really good choice by my brother from another mother. So great choice, brother. And Rach, happy for you. So I guess that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. This has been Ronnie with Project Gentleman, reminding you that those who seek God first are the ones who truly win in life. So sana nakatulong. Can't wait to see you in the next video.
Yay!